What's going on, guys? Kind of coming back at you. I'm going to recap some of the trades here for the beginning or the 1st of November. So it was a good day. Should have been looking a little bit better than what I am right now. But, that's what happens when you stick in the market and you trade a little bit too much. But here's a P&L today. Up about 500 and almost basically I'm up about 600 bucks. It was up about 720 at one point. Then I gave some back on kind of a foolish trade there. But I traded a few different stocks today, so I'm only going to run through a few here, kind of some of the big winners here. But anyways, this is EVHC. Got hammered basically due to the earnings call. Then we've seen it pop up here pre-market. So we were watching this one out of the gates, kind of see where it would take us. And sure enough, let me scroll over here some more. Sure enough, it was looking pretty darn weak. For me, I mean, I could have gotten better, but I traded a few other ones. But by the time I got over, I noticed it right about here at 28, right? Or right at this 29 level. So as soon as it broke through 29, I hopped in with a couple hundred shares there at 28, like 40 or something, 28.80. It popped down real quick and then it came back up. So instantly I was basically down a couple $100. But I didn't cover up, just knowing, just based on the chart action. I just had a strong conviction in my trade that this was going to continue downward. So whether it was the quick drop that we didn't get, at some point it was going to fade out. We had a lot of moving average resistance that the stock was first off going to have to go through if it wanted to continue up. So hopped in right about there, right? That little red line. That's where I hopped in short. And then I ended up covering down here in like the 27s, right at about here. Once I seen it start to kind of turn back a little bit, I just said, okay, I'll cover up there. So about 28 down to 27, made a few $100. Then really the other one I traded today was ICON. Made some good money on this one. So I watched it here. I caught it, seen it drop and drop and drop, and almost shorted up top here, didn't miss the entry. So then I waited, and then I actually hopped in here initially at, where did I get in? I got in here at $1.93. Got in right in there about $1.93, and I took 6,000 shares and ended up selling here at the $2 mark. So I popped in 6,000 shares at $1.94, ended up selling up there at 201. And then I also took a short position right here. I took another 6,000 shares short right in the middle. There's a lot going on here. Let me delete it. So then the next thing I did was hop in another 6,000 shares short. Need drawings. So the next thing I did was hop in about 6,000 shares short right here, and then I covered up down there. Quick, like $300 gain. So it was a fun day. I did a lot of shorting, a lot of longing, and I came out on top about 600 bucks. Could have walked away at about 730, but I hung around, was a little confident. So all in all, good day, good start to the month of November. I'm going to set a goal of hopefully making, I don't know, I'm going to try to accomplish 10,000. I think I'm going to try and accomplish about $10,000 this month. 10,000 to 15,000 this month for trading is going to be my goal. Okay, so not too far-fetched, just got to stay confident, be focused. Don't overtrade, which is one of the mistakes I made today. A little bit of overtrading because you're going to pay it in commissions, but the goal is to make about 10,000, 15,000 this month trading. So we'll see how that all goes. Alrighty, guys, thanks for tuning in for the live trade recap today.